Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to create a bus stop that look like this. So let's do it. So we start a new project, so we go to File, New Project, or if you are at the start screen, you click on New and you need to find the right template. So I just paste folder, so I select the template, I choose project and hit OK. After the upgrade, the first thing I want to do is to create the slab that is at the bottom. So I select one of the floor plans, I go to architecture, select floor. In my case, I select just the slab reinforced concrete 200. I start drawing. If I want to change the dimension, I just click on one of these lines, change the distance, do the same for this one. So I select the line, click on these dimensions and change and hit enter. When I'm finished, I click finish edit mode. Okay, so if I go to 3D, you can see that we have the base slab. I don't need so many levels there, so I can delete most of them. So this, perfect. Next thing we are gonna do the wall. So I go to the floor plan again, I select wall. In my case, I want to select bearing wall RC 240 and I want to change it so it's just 200. So I go to edit mode, edit type, duplicate, rename it, go to structure, change it from 240 to just 200, hit OK and OK. Because I want to draw it from the outer side, I need to select core face exterior and start drawing. If it works wrong, I have to use spacebar to flip the walls. So I just draw it inside like this. Then I need to create the roof. So I think I can just use the slab that I used for the as a base slab. So I just Ctrl C, copy it to my clipboard. Then I click on paste, align to same place, and I just change the elevation or the level. So if I go to 3D, I can see that the roof is right here. Right now I want to make it sloped roof, so I double click, I added this line, so I set it to define constraint height. Then I want to define a slope, so I check slope again and type something like -6 degrees and finish edit mode. So now it's sloped. If we want to have the roof a little bit bigger, some overlap there, some offset from the floor plan, I just double click, go to floor plan. We can move it, or if you want, you can create some dimensions there, and let's say it should be, the offset should be 1 meter, so type 1 meter, hit enter. I can delete this one, finish edit mode, and we have the offset here. The next thing I want to do, I want to make this wall slanted, so I select the wall, change the cross section to slanted, change the angles, so something like -15. Perfect. The next thing, I want to attach this wall to the roof, so I select the wall, click on attach, attach top. Perfect. Now I want to edit the sketch of this roof a little bit, so it's aligned with the wall. The only problem is that I'm not sure if we have a problem. Yeah, we have a problem because this roof is sloped and also the wall is sloped. The angle is different here, so I just delete this line, use this tool, pick lines. I select using tab on my keyboard to select this line, so it automatically creates a line. Then I just close these corners, go to 3D and finish it. Okay, so right now it's really, yeah, it's aligned. Perfect. The next thing, I will make this wall a little bit lower, so there's free space. And then I want to edit this wall, so I want to make it something like this. Okay, so how to do it? The easiest way how to do it is to just edit the sketch. So I double click on the wall, go to, for example, left. I delete some of these lines. And again, I use this pick lines tool. So I select this one, probably this one. And then I create a new line here. Connect this together. And I want to create some openings. So let's say something like this. And this, so it shouldn't overlap. I can copy it if I want to. So let's say there will be some more like this, maybe something here. And then I want to make this part. So let's say we will draw some lines here. Let's say for 300, like this. Then I use the offset tool to have same offsets from all these lines. So let's say, yeah, 300. So we create some of these lines. Maybe some of these lines are overlapping now. Yes, right now I have two, so I have to delete one of them. And what next? Let's say the angle will be something like this. So I need to join it. Oh, first I need to make some segments there. So I join this, that, like this. I think it's enough for now. So just connect it. We have a problem. Yeah, we need to join this because these have to be closed loops. Perfect. So we have this wall. Then I want to, yeah, I'll create this sculpture. So I go front, I go to architecture, component, model in place, and let's say we select generic model. So generic models, let's say, I don't know, sculpture. We need to select this work plane. So I go to set, pick plane. I need to highlight this plane. So if I go too much to the top, it's the horizontal plane. Okay, it's the top face of the wall, but we want to select the front face. So we select this one. So now we can draw something. So let's say I go to extrusion. I can make some circles there. It's too much probably. And I select, for example, spline tool. So I make some splines like that. Maybe I can use offset tool. So let's say, I don't know, 100, 200. Like this. Maybe can we join it? Is it going to be okay? I'm not sure. Sometimes it's not working very well. So we need to like this one and edit it a little bit. Okay, so something like that. And the extrusion can be just, I don't know, 50 millimeters. Okay, so we finish it one more time. So we have the sculpture at the back. And now I want to create a bench, so I go to floor plan again, I select floor again, I draw the sketch, so let's say something like that, and we need to change the elevation, so I don't know, it should be half meter or something like that, I'm not sure. Yeah, perfect. So it's done. And if you want to, you can create something around. So let's say I go to messing and site, topo solid, I select the terrain, I create some terrain around here. Also I can create some sidewalk, so it will be the front part in front of the bus stop, so I create some thing like sidewalk, perfect, and then I create road, so we can create part of the road. And now I just want to change some elevation, so let's say this will be, I don't know, minus 55, this one will be minus 50, this one will be, I don't know, minus 200. And the last thing I want to do is to create the curb, so I go to architecture, select railing, I select this line, I select the host, this one, I assign a type called curb, for example this one, and it's on the right side. If it's not, we have to go to floor plan and change the orientation, okay, like this, but we did it right, so let's just change it, and then we can change it to realistic view and maybe perspective if you want to. So that's it. So see you next time.